Experience driving perfection in the 2019 Kia Soul. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback offers the features and options for which you've been searching. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.